مرحبا وأهلا Miss JJ's awesome 6th grade students. كيف حالكم؟ بخير؟ شكرا because you joined my lesson. Today we are going to be talking about the market for fruits and vegetables. سوق الفاكهة والخضار. سوق الفاكهة والخضار. This is a continuation of last semester's topic. We've been talking about healthy food, unhealthy food, the 3 meals that you have per day, and what you have for breakfast and lunch and dinner. Alright, في الفطور, في الغداء, في العشاء. We are going now to talk about different fruits and vegetables, فاكهة وخضار, and the benefits of many فاكهة that we have in the Arab countries. Alright, سوق الفاكهة والخضار, the market for fruits and vegetables. هيا بنا نبدأ. Here we have the learning targets, boys and girls, so let's read them together. Our learning targets for this lesson are: I can identify fruits and vegetables. I can express likes and dislikes using full sentences. I can explain the health benefits of a popular fruit, which is the rumman. Pomegranate, rumman, pomegranate. And I can list ingredients to make a smoothie. Let's try and unfold our learning targets. Can I identify different fruits and vegetables? Different fruits and vegetables in Arabic. تفاح, موز, عنب. Those are different fruits in Arabic. Vegetables, خيار, خس, ذرة. Do you remember these vocabulary words, boys and girls? Don't worry if you do not, because we are going to go over all of them. Alright? I can express likes and dislikes. Who remembers how I say I like بالعربي وI do not like بالعربي? أحب I like. لا أحب I do not like. أحب I like. I do not like. أحب الموز. أحب التفاح. أحب الخيار. لا أحب الذرة. لا أحب العنب. For example, I can explain the health benefits of a popular fruit, الرمان. Boys and girls, I am recording this lesson. This is like taken from the slides. But when we are going to go on Nearpod with the educational activities and fun things to do, we will be watching an educational video about pomegranate, الرمان, and the benefits of الرمان. Last but not least, I can list ingredients to make a delicious smoothie in Arabic. Maybe I'm going to put حليب. I'm going to put rumman, موز, تفاح. هيا بنا, let's start. Boys and girls, as always, before we start our lesson, we need to track our progress. I always like to start with novice. Alright, and I hope by the end of this lesson, we will reach the apprentice level, which means we are still learning, and some of you might be on expert, Why not? Mentors. Let's see. So the new words we are going to learn in this lesson is we are going to give new name. You're going to learn new names of different fruits and vegetables. Let me start with this question for you, boys and girls. ما فاكهتك المفضلة? What is your favorite fruit? ما فاكهتك المفضلة? What is your favorite fruit? أحب البرتقال. أحب البرتقال. أحب المانجا. أحب الفراولة. أحب التفاح. وأنت ما هي فاكهتك المفضلة؟ وأنت ما هي فاكهتك المفضلة؟ شكرا for sharing with the class your favorite fruits and vegetables. We forgot about the vegetables. Okay, we will talk about this in the next slide. Let's have a look at what we have here. Boys and girls, look at this. التمر. Tamar. Remember we learned about tamar and the benefits of tamar? ممتاز. جيد جدا. تمر. dates. عنب. grapes. فراولة. strawberries. ليمون. What's lemon in Arabic? I forgot. What's lemon in English? It will come back to me. Lemon. Yeah. See, lemon is lemon. It comes from the same family. Lemon is lemon. برتقال, oranges. And also, just like in English, orange is the orange fruit that we eat, and it's also the color. برتقال. mouse. تفاح. apple. ananas. pineapple. And what we have here in the middle is our winner, and it is the rumman. Rumman is the pomegranate that we will be talking about and watching a cultural video about. Alright, boys and girls, let's go over one more time our list of fruits. Tamar, عنب, فراولة, ليمون, برتقال, موز, تفاح, أناناس, رمان. Good job, boys and girls. I am very proud of you. Let's have a look at our next slide. And this one is asking us to express our thoughts orally by making sentences from the pictures below. Alright, let me remove extra L for below. Look at this. Look at this picture, boys and girls. It's the same one as the one we saw earlier, but it has a red heart. And this red heart is to express our likes, okay, for these fruits. Let's go ahead and make sentences, alright? أحب التمر. I like dates. أحب العنب. I like grapes. أحب الفراولة. I like strawberries. أحب البرتقال. I like oranges. أحب الليمون. I like lemon. أحب الموز. I like bananas. أحب التفاح. I like apples. أحب الأناناس. أناناس. I like pineapple. أحب الرمان. I like pomegranate. Oh, boys and girls, let's have a look at all these delicious fruits and imagine us creating a smoothie out of all of these or some of these, depending what we have at home in our fridge. All right, so now I am going to go to the next slide, and this is what I was talking about when I said that we will be watching in class a documentary about the benefits of الرمان. الرمان صحي. الرمان صحي. الرمان is healthy. Pomegranate is healthy. And مفيد جدا. مفيد means very beneficial. مفيد جدا. And I'm going to post the video on Google Classroom so you can watch it on your own pace. Okay? So after we watch the video, we will, conclude that pomegranate is a good antioxidant. Antioxidant. It prevents Alzheimer's. It protects heart disease. It protects from arthritis. It protects digestive system. It prevents diabetes, and it regulates blood pressure. Boys and girls, which other fruit you studied first semester that also has almost the same benefits? The same benefits. Do you remember? Good job. Yes. التمر. Dates. التمر. ممتاز. So let's look at this one more time. الرمان صحي. Pomegranate is healthy and beneficial and a lot beneficial. مفيد جدا. All right. I hope you are enjoying the lesson so far. We are almost at our last slide, and I want you to look at this sentence. This is the sentence you used, boys and girls, when you created your wonderful projects for the end of the first semester for the celebration of learning. You remember you created your own menus and you said, at dinner I eat, for example, fish and I drink water. Well, these are the same sentences we are going to use for now. And this is one example. At dinner I eat pomegranate. في العشاء آكل الرمان. في العشاء آكل الرمان. At dinner I eat pomegranate. Okay? So here, there's an activity for you. We're going to do it, of course, together in class, but I thought I would put it here. For every picture, you create a sentence. For example, for breakfast, في الفطور آكل موز. في الغداء آكل تفاح, etc., etc. Boys and girls, I want to say shukran for attending my lesson. I will see you in virtual class. Shukran wa ma'a salama.